What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to dive right into the art of composition. So a lot of people wonder, what'll make them a better photographer, getting different lenses or cameras or whatever accessories. And the truth is, learning composition alone will make you a better photographer. As you see this squirrel, so this would be a composition that really doesn't look good. And the squirrel's looking in a certain direction, and it makes you wonder, what is it actually looking at? It just looks at a place, the way the positioning is here. See, this is the rule of thirds in regards to composition. Although, see, most of his body, or her body, whatever, is on the left side there. So you can actually see more of the environment of what they're looking into. Now, here's a standard. Generally, this is what most people do. They just focus on what's right in front, dead center into the lens. They take a picture, and it comes out actually looking like a snapshot. Now, as a photographer, you're a visual storyteller. So, you need to use the rule of thirds. Move the camera around. Have the subject off center, or slightly below or above that middle area. So again, this would not be a very good composition because the bird is on the wrong side. This would be a better composition based on the direction that the blue jay is actually looking. You have more of a open area that matches the actual line of sight in regards to where the blue jay is looking. Now you'll notice here, this is actually my car getting worked on. I have the mechanic off to one side of the vehicle, or sorry, of the image, so you can, again, it's in the direction of where he's looking. Same thing with this one. It's in the direction of where he's looking. It's just more cohesive, and it actually tells a story. He's focused, he's concentrating on, well, he was using a torch to get my muffler off. And this one is more of an environment shot, but if I didn't compose it this way, you'd miss all the stuff that's on the table and what they're really actually dealing with. So again, as a visual storyteller, welcome to composition.